break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded ride.
Everybody loves chocolate. I haven't met too many people that don't love chocolate. But you want to be healthier, so one of my favorite desserts that I'm going to be talking about today is making an avocado chocolate mousse. And yes, I repeat, avocado. Avocado is like chicken. It basically morphs into anything.
This blew me away when I first met you.
Right.
I had no idea
Yeah.
what I was eating. So a friendship blossomed from that. I don't know how many years ago. How many years ago
Oh my
was this?
gosh, probably eight or
Nine or something like that. So Irene has this beautiful kitchen. We have stuff cooking over here already. So, all right, you're gonna make dessert first so you can chill, right?
Yes, that's
okay,
right. So you got to be very careful when you choose your avocados. If you can put your thumb in, like push through, then it means that it's not good, you know. But like here, I can make an indent, but it doesn't go through. I'm cutting up the avocados. The normal recipe calls for 2 avocados, so that would be 4 halves.
So how many would that, if you have 2 avocados, how many people can you serve a nice dessert to?
So for 2 avocados, I would say about 2 to 3 people.
People are going to ask about the fat in avocados and should we be afraid of them?
Okay.
What's the benefits to the other kind of mousse versus the avocado?
Okay, first of all, we don't get enough fiber. I mean, this is just thing that people just don't eat enough fiber. And it was interesting because with my clients, being a nutritionist, I look at food diaries. And I was looking, and people are like, oh, I eat so much fiber, right? Because you're eating fruit and you're eating salads. But if you look at it, salad doesn't really have a lot of fiber. It's good roughage, and it's got a lot of good water content. You know, it's good for your health and to lose weight and to stay healthy, but it really doesn't have a lot of fiber. Avocado is like a power food.
I had no idea.
Also a healthy fat. That's another thing. We're not getting enough good fat. Because, if you have
You have to have fat.
Yeah.
I can't stand not having fat.
Exactly.
Honest to God, I need fat so badly. No, really, when I've done all that stuff in the past,
Yeah.
where you take this food group out and you do this
Yeah.
food group, and at the end of the day, all I want is fat if I take it out.
Well, you know what's
And I'm athletic too, and if I don't have fat,
Oh, yeah.
I'm ravenous hungry. Let's jump in.
Yeah.
So do you want me to help and do
Yeah,
this?
absolutely. So we're gonna take each avocado and I'm just gonna scoop it out, and you'll know that your avocado is ripe easily.
Oh, you're lucky. I can't believe that you got such good ones. So I'm going to tell everybody what your handle is on Instagram, please,
It's
and on
on
Facebook.
It's Irene.Maltzan on Instagram, and then my Facebook is Wellness Street. Yeah. So we put the avocado in there. Next, we're gonna put dark cocoa powder. This is unsweetened cocoa powder.
I'll show them.
It's also good for making hot chocolate.
You can get this over at Trader Joe's.
Yeah,
which
Trader
is-
Joe's.
We love Trader Joe's.
Yeah.
What's
A
that?
little bit of vanilla.
Can I have that?
Also from Trader Joe's.
Yep, vanilla.
Yep.
We'll have all the ingredients for you. Yep.
Next, we're gonna do organic maple syrup, and I use that. You can use different sweeteners. You can use a dry sweetener if you don't want a liquid one. Like you can use stevia in here. So, but I like the taste of maple syrup. I do too. It's real. It tastes good.
Go real.
Yeah.
Go real or go home.
And then this is unsweetened
Thank you.
almond milk.
Thank you. So this is gluten-free.
Yes.
This is
gluten-free.
dairy-free, so let
Absolutely.
me go share this.
Yes, and I'm just gonna melt the chocolate real quick. Give me 1 second.
There you go.
Stop it.
This is Stop and Shop.
I'm just melting the chips right now. I want to talk about them now.
Okay.
This is the greatest for anybody that has allergies. It's Enjoy Life dark chocolate chips.
Tell me why they're so special.
They're free of any allergens. They're really high in cacao. I think it's at least 65%. You know, that's why I was very impressed.
Where did you get these? Gluten-free, wheat-free, peanut, tree nuts, dairy, casein, soy, egg, sesame,
Great for allergies.
fish, everything.
Yeah.
This is great for allergies for people who love the chocolate.
Yeah.
Where'd you get it?
I got one at Stop and Shop. You can also get it at Whole Foods and Fairway.
Okay.
Yeah, so different supermarkets carry it.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Love that.
Yeah, and
Wow.
chocolate is really good. Dating back to February, the heart month, really good for your heart.
Okay, we got to talk about some important stuff that I learned from when I was up at Syracuse for the Go Red luncheon and a big fundraiser for them. 1 in 3 women die from cardiovascular disease.
Absolutely.
1 woman every 80 seconds dies.
Wow.
So
That's crazy.
it's shocking. It shocked me so much that I started thinking, what am I not doing to get rid of the stress in my body?
Exactly.
And in my heart, my soul.
Yeah.
So I started training. I don't know, you've seen all my crazy
Yes.
sweat wins. It's so crazy, but it really got me to think about what am I not doing? And I'm not doing it, believe me, I'm not doing it for calorie burn. I'm not doing it for weight loss. I'm not doing it for diets or anything. I just was like, I need to go back to my roots of being an active person. But when I realized that, you know, one of the major factors is that women handle so much.
Yes.
And
We're always multitasking.
oh my gosh,
Yeah.
and the stress of all that is killing us. So add that. So
Here's this delicious dark
this is
chocolate.
okay. So we digress for just
Yeah.
a second.
But here's this delicious dark chocolate.
It's heart healthy.
It's heart healthy. All right. So now we're ready to go. How exciting is that?
Okay.
See how nicely that, like a blender you have to keep going and going, and this is very nice. So yeah, it doesn't look green anymore.
No.
And that's when you stop. When you don't see the little particles anymore, then you can stop. So now what I'm gonna do, I was like, you know, it's funny, everybody was asking me how I got into cooking. I grew up with the most incredible cookers. My parents were from Eastern Europe, and they all just loved to cook, and it was all about family and getting together. And I just really developed the love of cooking from my grandmother because she was such an amazing cook, as well as my mom.
All natural. It was natural to be natural back then.
Yeah, it was yeah, absolutely.
Where were you from? Where's your family from?
My father's from the Ukraine, and my mother was from White Russia, Belarus. And you want to do, as you put it in, you want to kind of mix it around, and you're going to chill it. So that, when that's all done, and we get everything in there, we're going to put it in the fridge. And you give it like, even, 15, 20 minutes in the fridge would give it probably sufficient time.
Okay.
You can eat it right away, but it gets to be a little more mushier. I like desserts cold. Now another thing that I found that is amazing is Cocoa Whip, and this is made by So Delicious. We grew up on, remember Cool Whip?
Yes.
But that is not really healthy for you. So Delicious is a company, and it's for allergens, but it's also for people that are watching their health and their weight. This is made out of coconut oil, and it has literally 30 calories per serving. Only
Good. I didn't even know this was made.
yeah, and you can get that again at most supermarkets, Whole Foods, Stop and Shop. If it's solid,
Let me show them.
if it's solid, it is more like an ice cream, but when you let it sit a little bit, it just comes out.
Thank you.
Yeah, I like the whipped cream too, but sometimes those
The nozzles and plus
Yeah.
the whole environmental thing, and then also
Yeah.
getting the gases. Okay.
exactly.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna stick this in the fridge.
Thank
Give me a
you.
second. And later we will try that.
Okay.
And now we're gonna jump to the second dish that we're making, and this is, I'm a pasta lover. I've always been a pasta lover all my life. But as you know, too much pasta is not good because it plays with your blood sugar, and as you get older, you don't want to lose too much weight from eating too much carbs. So the thing that I do is I was searching and searching and searching for something that's like pasta. Well, Trader Joe's has a cauliflower.
We're not sponsored yet by Trader Joe's. We're just
I
like
just like their food. I'm not Italian, so I always mess this up. It's gnocchi.
gnocchi.
Gnocchi, thank you.
And I'm not Italian either.
Yeah, I used to say gnocchi. My Italian friends are like, oh,
Whatever it is, it's
just
good.
slaughtered that.
It doesn't matter. It
But,
doesn't matter.
So anyway, the cauliflower
Gnocchi.
gnocchi is amazing, and it's just such a great substitute for pasta, and it gives you that.
There's no wheat in it.
There's no
It's
wheat in it.
only potato or.
It's actually made out of cauliflower, potato starch, cassava flour, which is a root vegetable, and it's very big now and gluten-free because it gives you a better taste than a lot of the
Heartiness
Yeah.
instead of it being
And
flat. This is cauliflower gnocchi. Serious, good stuff.
so amazing.
So now, how are we going to prepare this today?
Okay, so I used to boil it and like pasta, but I found that it was okay. My husband actually likes it that way, but I found it's like a little mushy that way.
Yes.
I wanted it to have like a little texture. So the way that I make it now is you saute it lightly in olive oil, right? And you get it like a little brownness to it. And then this is the beautiful part of it. You take it off the stove and you just add fresh spinach, fresh lemon juice, garlic, no cooking. Mix it around and a little Parmesan.
So you're not boiling it at all?
No,
Oh,
no.
I love that.
Yeah,
I
so-
like the crunchy and the hearty. tactily in my mouth. I love that. So good.
So this is the cauliflower
gnocchi.
and I set it out to defrost just a bit. You don't want it to be mushy, but you don't want it to be stuck together. So,
Okay.
So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in some olive oil. So I'm going to put that in the oil. And the
That's
hard
great.
part is to leave it alone. You know, people when they cook, they have a tendency to want to touch things. Is it burning? You know, is it cooking? In order for it to brown, you literally have to leave it alone for a few minutes. So, you know, you check it in like 3-4 minutes, but you leave it
On
alone.
medium?
Yeah. Yeah. This
Okay.
is. Yeah. I never put it too high.
So as a holistic chef, do you encourage your clients to purchase a certain type of cookware? Do you encourage
Yes.
Teflon? Do you encourage stainless steel? Like, tell us a little bit about
Stainless
that.
steel is very, very good. Now, stainless steel was really the only healthy one out there for a while besides cast iron. But now they're doing a lot of things with ceramic too, which is healthy.
I love cast iron.
Yeah.
I love the way it cooks. It's
Isn't
very
it cool?
even.
Yeah.
I mean, when people talk about how
Yeah.
even the things, yeah.
And you're actually getting iron from it, which is good, which is a lot of people
Oh.
are very iron deficient. Good foods for that are beets. They have these juice bars. You can, you know, if you don't have a juicer at home, you can just go get a beet juice. I make my daughter do that at least a couple times a week. Because it really
Nice.
helps, you know, with your iron levels. Because other things like eggs, spinach, those are good, but most people are not going to eat liver. That's the highest.
I try to find liverwurst.
Yeah.
And no one, because as I was a child, I had a real problem with my iron levels being
Right.
so low. So I go to places that I know that has liverwurst, and it's a dying breed. You can't find liverwurst in too many places.
So we're going to do that for a while. In the meantime, I want to add a little bit of protein because you want to get a little extra protein in your diet. And it's good to be vegetarian for some meals, good to do vegan, but there's nothing wrong with using good quality ingredients. I love these. Nature's Promise is a brand from Stop and Shop, and it's free from all chemicals, it's free from all colors, flavors, so it's all natural, and I love it.
This is a good little device.
Yes.
What is this?
This is a Cuisinart griddle, and you can do pancakes on here, you can grill. I do meat, fish, bacon even, you can do on here, and I love eggs, you can cook eggs on it. I probably use this at least 3 to 4 times a week.
And you're not using an oven instead. You
No.
do this here.
Yeah,
and then what's the difference between an oven
Because
and
you're getting the taste of like the outdoor grilling without actually going outside and using firing up your grill.
during the wintertime.
Stove
Cuisinart Griller Deluxe.
Griddler Deluxe.
Okay.
Yeah. I love this. You can see it's had a lot of use.
You've had a lot of use, which I love.
So I grill it until it gets nice and brown.
It's
So,
okay.
so you want to make sure that it's not pink inside. You can see it's not pink, but it's actually, the chicken sausage is a nice alternative to eating pork. It's a lot less processed than a lot of other sausages, and they also come in different flavors. I love it because they come in like
I'm going to let you
feta and spinach.
You can cook on parchment paper, everyone.
Yeah.
Because in general, it's just better for whatever.
Yeah, and better for the environment and yourself.
And yourself, for
Yeah.
your memory
Yeah.
and all that. So I use this very infrequently. I use parchment paper on a regular basis. We'll use parchment paper another time. That sounds good. That smells good.
Yep. It's going to be fabulous when it's done. See how it's getting brown? It's starting to get nice and crispy.
Oh, so that's normal, right?
Yeah.
Not to get afraid that you're
No.
ruining the gnocchi?
No, it's getting nice. It's going to get nice brownness to it. You want to do that for a little bit until it gets a little brown for it. If you cook for convenience, this is a lemon squeezer instead of having the whole device where you have to plug in.
Yep.
You literally just take the lemon, cut it in half, the lime, it works for lime as well, and oranges, and you can just squeeze it yourself.
Lemon is in the
Quick.
recipe. You're going to use
Yes.
this in the recipe.
Yes.
So what's the benefit of lemon? I love lemon.
Oh my gosh, lemon is, even though it's acidic to the taste, lemon is actually very alkalizing to the body. And one of the best things you can do in the morning is to sip on water with lemon in it. It's an Ayurvedic tradition, and what it does is it gives a flush to the kidneys and the liver.
Yep.
Garlic is a very good antioxidant, especially immune booster in the wintertime,
All right.
when all these viruses are going around.
Yeah.
And I have spinach. Spinach is high in iron, and it's good. This one is mixed with baby kale. Then I love this cheese from Trader Joe's. It's freshly shaved Parmesan, Romano, and Asiago together. This is a little crispy. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the spinach. Take a few handfuls. Now you know this cooks down, so.
Quick, yes. We have a green soup that we've shot, and people love the green soup because we used 5 pounds of spinach, and it sweated right down, went right down.
So you just mix it
You're
around.
being irreverent with the gnocchi, which is fine. And that crunchy stuff on the bottom is going to be delish.
Half a lemon squeezed.
Okay.
Yeah, to that. Then you put fresh garlic, a couple tablespoons of that.
Ooh, you could put the whole thing in there.
Yeah, I know, right?
Just go for it. That's good.
That's all I
Thank
do.
you.
Yeah. And depending on how much dairy you want to do, and then see now there's room for more spinach because I like to have nice greens. You should be eating about 3 cups of really green vegetables, cruciferous vegetables.
A day.
Yeah. It's
3
very
cups.
Good. Yeah, 3 cups. Yeah.
Okay, and if people are juicing, they're getting it.
Yes.
Right.
So we're done. And then we're just going to add this the chicken sauce.
Okay. Okay, take a look at this. This is a cocoa whip.
That is the healthy coconut whipped cream. This, if you grew up on Cool Whip and love it, but you wanted to go to something healthier or something that's vegan, it's wonderful and it's actually good for people that are watching their health. I just put a few raspberries on top.
That looks amazing.
Look how pretty that is,
It's
right?
so cute, and it's delicious.
And that's how much, because there's so much good fat in there. My philosophy is easy, not expensive, and nutritious.
Great.
The three, yeah.
I can't wait. This is just
it's
fabulous.
And I'm so glad you came today.
We're so happy.
Yeah.
So go ahead, Irene.
Yeah.
You can put that down, and if anybody wants to ask Irene any questions, and we're going to actually go sit down and break some bread. Irene, thank you. Thank you so much for having us over for lunch, and bon appetit, everybody.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining us, and it's very raw what we're doing here, but we're sharing good things.
Hey, this is what I do. I love to cook. I love to have people come hang with me.
Well, we're going to join you more often, which I hope.
Yeah.
Because please leave comments below, and we can't wait to join you again.
Great. Thanks.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.